Hey guys, we're going to be working on translations of log base 2 functions. So what I really want you to focus on are the features of log base 2 of x. The asymptote should always be your y-axis or the new y-axis. And then the 2 points we're looking for are the ones that are the 1, 0 and base 1. In this case, since it's log base 2, that should be 2, 1. So a couple of these I have marked for you those 2 points to look for. So then what you want to try to figure out is where is the origin moved and how does that affect the translation of the graph. So for number 12, you're coming up with the equations. 13, they're giving you the equations and you need to graph. And then number 14, you're talking about the comparisons of logs and quadratics and their transformations. So good luck today. Work on this to try to finish up this task. I'll get you stamps tomorrow, and then the 2.2 ready, set, go. And I'll talk about questions tomorrow.